Make a great choice today with the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.